the first nuclear power plant in the Dominican Republic. My name is Jose Núñez and I will explain to you a little about nuclear energy. Nuclear energy consists in creating heat through the process of fission or fusion of the atoms. All nuclear power plants transform heat into electricity using steam. There are around 435 operable semi-nuclear reactors around the world, and some countries like France, Belgium, Slovakia, and Hungary use nuclear energy as a primary source of energy. Now I will leave you with my colleague.
As you may know, there are many types of reactors. Some use water or other cooling materials. These are mostly used are the pressurized water reactor and the boiling water reactor. Now, I will leave with my colleague, Carlos.
No, se fundió. This is a disadvantage of nuclear power reactors. If somehow the coolant stops working, a catastrophe could happen. Radiation will be released into the environment. Also, we have to worry about nuclear waste. The atoms that are left behind don't reach stability until hundreds of thousands of years. And until then, they can damage both the environment and human beings. Now, to my colleague right here.
They also have advantages too. They reduce the amount of energy made with fossil fuels and reduce pollution. Nowadays, we can recycle nuclear waste, and only water vapor comes out of nuclear power plants. With nuclear energy, countries will obtain true energy independence. Now, I'm going to leave with my colleague.
But here in the power plant, we have made several improvements. We use a fuel called thorium. Thorium is more abundant, cleaner, and produces more power per dollar in terms of uranium. The key difference between thorium and other nuclear fuels is that it can sustain a chain reaction on its own. Now I'm going to give my colleague.
Other improvement is the use of fusion instead of fission. Fission occurs when atoms split apart and cause a chain reaction, but fusion is a combination of two or more atoms, such as hydrogen or helium, to produce heavier atoms and energy. Fusion can be safer and produce more energy than fission does. So, we can conclude that the nuclear energy, if it's supported with responsibility, can be environmentally friendly.
Nuclear fusion produce low-cost electricity with virtually no greenhouse gas emission at high reliability.
And we all owe nuclear energy to French physicist Antoine Henri Becquerel and those who extended his
Thanks for visiting our nuclear power plant. So remember, nuclear energy is the energy of the future.